One of my clients had gotten really uptight and angry because her cousin said she was spoiled. I asked her, why was it such a big deal being called spoiled? In an angry and defensive way, she said, because it's not true, and proceeded to tell me all the reasons it wasn't true. I said, what if your cousin said you had green hair? She replied, that'd be stupid. Of course I don't have green hair. I pointed out to her that it wasn't because of what he said that made her upset. It's because it triggered an underlying subconscious belief. She wasn't saying, how dare he say I have green hair, but she was saying, how dare he say I'm spoiled. It's not about external factors. If she hadn't been triggered by being told she was spoiled, she wouldn't have reacted. She would have joked about it, or thought it was a stupid thing to say and shrugged it off, just like the comment about having green hair. Feelings are based on beliefs buried in our subconscious.